Data engineering versus data science. Data engineering is the design and construction of systems for collecting, storing, and processing data. Data engineers build data pipelines and ETL, extract, transform, load, processes. They also model and clean data. They work closely with data scientists and analysts to ensure that data is readily accessible and in the right format for analysis. Skills required for data engineering. Programming skills: Python, widely used for data processing, scripting, and automation. Java/Scala, often needed for working with big data frameworks like Apache Spark and Hadoop. Understanding of data architecture and data modeling. Data modeling, designing data schemas that efficiently support business needs and analytics. Data warehousing, no data warehouse design, star and snowflake schemas, and dimensional modeling. Big data technologies: Apache Hadoop, for large-scale data storage and processing. Apache Spark, popular for real-time data processing and analytics. Data warehousing solutions: AWS Redshift, Google BigQuery, Snowflake, and Azure Synapse are popular cloud data warehouses. Traditional data warehouses, Teradata, Oracle, and similar systems are still common in enterprises. Data pipeline tools: Apache Airflow, for workflow scheduling and orchestrating complex ETL tasks. Luigi, Prefect, alternatives to Airflow, each with unique benefits for managing data workflows. Database management systems, DBMS, relational databases, proficiency in MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server, columnar databases, familiarity with databases like Amazon Redshift and BigQuery for analytical processing. Comparison and career paths. Data engineers focus on the infrastructure of data systems. Data scientists analyze data to find insights. Both are key to the data lifecycle. Data engineers build the foundation for data science work. Data engineers usually earn a bit more than data scientists. Their work requires specialized skills in data infrastructure design and development. Both data engineering and data science jobs are in high demand across industries. Companies are relying more on data-driven insights for decisions. This is increasing the demand for skilled professionals in these fields. Data engineers may find work in data warehousing, architecture, and transformation. Conclusion. In conclusion, both fields aim to use data to drive innovation and decision-making. But, their specific skills and roles differ greatly.